Do you know that 44% of people regret not starting a side hustle earlier? In 2025, relying on only one source of income is a thing of the past. If you are not building your thing on the side, you are missing out. Stick around because in this video, I am breaking down why every professional needs a side hustle this year, how to get started, and side hustle ideas that can fit into even the busiest schedules. Hi navigators, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Favour, and I help professionals just like you create multiple streams of income, build confidence, and achieve financial freedom. Today, we are diving into something every ambitious professional needs to hear. Why having a side hustle in 2025 isn't just a nice to have, it's a necessity. Let's face it, jobs aren't as secure as they used to be. The world is evolving fast. Layoffs are happening left, right, and center. And companies are automating more than ever. A side hustle is your financial safety net. In 2025, inflation is still rising and living cost is going through the roof. If you are relying on only one paycheck, you are barely keeping up. But a side hustle is the boost you need to stay ahead. Let me ask you a question. How many of us feel stuck in a job that doesn't light us up? A side hustle isn't just about extra cash. It's about pursuing something that you are passionate about while still working your professional 9-to-5. So now that you know why it's essential, let's talk about how to get started. Tip number 1, leverage your skills. Start by asking yourself, what am I already good at? Are you good at writing, designing, creating, cooking? You can monetize these skills. For example, I have turned resume writing into an income stream while helping people land their dream jobs. Tip number 2, start small. You don't need a huge investment to begin. Platforms like Favour, Etsy, and even LinkedIn are goldmine for professionals looking to monetize their skills. Tip number 3, manage your time effectively. Use evenings, weekend, or even an hour a day. Block that time on your calendar and treat your side hustle like a business. Tip number 4, network and market. Tell people what you're doing. Social media is your best friend. Share your side hustle journey. You'll be surprised how you will attract clients and even collaborators. Now, I'm going to give you some side hustle ideas for 2025. If you're not sure of what kind of side hustles to start, here are some ideas you can start today. Number 1 idea is digital products. Think ebook, templates, or courses. People are willing to pay for your knowledge. Number 2 idea, freelancing. From writing to graphic design to consulting, freelancing platforms makes it easy to connect with clients. Number 3 idea, coaching or teaching. Are you great at something? Start teaching or coaching online. Whether it is fitness, music, or personal finance. Number 4, e-commerce. Dropshipping, creating your own products, or even reselling items can generate a steady income. Number 5, passive income streams. Affiliate marketing, investing, or selling printables. These are great for professionals who doesn't want to trade time for money. If you are serious about starting a side hustle, it is time to take action. And to help you build the confidence you need, I've got something special for you. Embracing confidence, I have it right here. In it, I shared strategies to build self-belief, take bold steps, and create a life where you are in control. In addition to this book, Embracing Confidence, I also have another book, The Wealth Within, Unlocking Passive Income for a Life of Fulfillment. This book right here is packed with strategies to help you create multiple streams of income, achieve financial independence, and live the life you've always dreamed of. It is perfect for anyone ready to take the leap into the world of passive income and make their financial goal a reality. You can check out both books on Amazon, and also the link will be in the description below. 2025 is the year to bet on yourself. Don't wait for the perfect time. Perfection is illusion. It doesn't exist. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your side hustle change your life. If you loved today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs to hear it. Comment below. What side hustle are you starting this year? I would love to know. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, your confidence creates your world. Let's make 2025 your year. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.